Oh, Dad, I'm in jail. All I hear is lies.
They wanna corrupt me, they try to corrupt me. This ain't no swan song, this is for the ugly ducklings of my country. Keep the game, dummy. You can't keep the rain from me. It's us who put in the overtime, they who make the money. Snickering that trickle-down economy. We got nickeled and dimed, it's more like highway robbery. Driving the fast lane, eyes on the gas gauge. Listen to neocons cry about black rage. It doesn't stop there, they're the blowhards. They puff out their chests, they're full of hot air. Providing entertainment for the status quo. Then once every 4 years they pander to the black vote. Oh, religion ain't a tool of control. Why they pull the guard card once they're losing in the polls. Foolish, I know, we're victims of circumstance. It ain't coincidence, we're children of the worker ants. And those in power ain't never owned a pair of dirty pants, but they're quick to kill your health insurance plans. The rich cheat death with their cheap survival. They found more than one way to beat the Bible. Street disciple, my beats are trifle mega. Don't repeat the cycle, just live your life better. I'ma defeat my rival, that's why I'm writing this letter, to let them know that we ain't giving up the fight ever. Conspiracy to riot. They wanna corrupt me, they try to corrupt me. This ain't no swan song, this is for the ugly ducklings of my country. You are not alone here. Conspiracy to riot. Oh yeah, I got a weapon of mass destruction parked in the back. It's a vessel of gas consumption. Rebels of rap production, never adapted in nothing. Imagine my laugh whenever you ask me for something. Like I ain't gave my all. You came fashionably late to the headbangers ball. After the mob scene lost steam, and after we spilled pig's blood on the prom queen. I've been told with old age comes wisdom, but I found with old age comes old age. We're stuck in our old ways, like everything was done much better in some forgotten era. Thumbs stuck in America. I can't begin to name the ways I pin the blame on an administration acting inhumane. If it's killing season, start within. When the hunter becomes the hunted, they outlaw hunting. Confiscate the ammunition, cause there's a wolf in sheepskin, a pit bull with lipstick, a pig in a blanket, some lame duck president, privatizing profit and socializing debt. Collapse credit, journalists get arrested. Watch the Blackwater operatives go domestic. Oh, that's a problem? Well, don't agonize. Smoke them if you got them, a whole pack of lies. Summer, spring, and autumn, now bring the winter time. I don't protest the snow, I shovel it with picket signs. Conspiracy to riot. They wanna corrupt me, they try to corrupt me. This ain't no swan song, this is for the ugly ducklings of my country. You are not alone here. We have the right to assembly. It's the duty of the patriot to protect his country from the government. But when we try it, when we try it, conspiracy to riot. Peace rally with my friends. Conspiracy to riot. When we have no defense. Conspiracy to riot. Rubber bullets to the head.